Hello to all the Planetbnb community who are fans of the BNB coin. We will provide you with a complete guide on how to register as a community member at Planetbnb. Make sure you have BNB coins on the opBNB network, not on the BEP20 or BEP2 networks. It must be exclusively on the opBNB network. Ensure that you purchase from an exchange in your respective country, whether it's Bitget, Binance, Toko Crypto, Token Pocket, Gate.io, or through a Web3 supported wallet such as TrustWallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Rainbow Wallet, Wallet Connect, My Other Wallet, or others. Now, we will explain how to register an account on Planetbnb and directly upgrade on Planet Mercury using one of the Web3 supported wallets, namely TrustWallet. Let's follow the steps below for a successful registration at Planetbnb. How to create a TrustWallet account and enable the opBNB network. Step 1. Download and install TrustWallet. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for TrustWallet and download the app. Ensure it's the official app by checking for the correct developer name, TrustWallet Incorporated. Once downloaded, open the app and proceed with the setup. Step 2. Create a new wallet. Open TrustWallet and select Create a new wallet. Read and agree to the terms of service, then tap Continue. Secure your wallet. You'll receive a 12-word recovery phrase. This is very important. Write it down and keep it safe. Never share this phrase with anyone. Confirm your recovery phrase by entering it in the correct order, then tap Done. Congratulations, your TrustWallet account is now set up. Step 3. Enable opBNB network in TrustWallet. Open TrustWallet and go to the Settings tab. Tap on Networks or Wallets, depending on the app version. Tap Add Custom Network to add opBNB, if not available by default. Enter the following network details for opBNB. Network name, opBNB, RPC, URL. HTTPS // opBNB, mainnet RPC, DNB chain. Step 4. Access Web3 sites using opBNB on TrustWallet. Return to the main screen of TrustWallet. Open the dApp browser or browser tab at the bottom. In the browser's address bar, enter the URL of the Web3 site you wish to visit that supports the opBNB network. Type or copy and paste the referral link shared with you from the Planetbnb website, such as this URL, https planetbnb.site. Ref equals 2171. Make sure to select opBNB as the active network in the Planetbnb settings by clicking the three-dot button in the upper right corner. If it's not set to opBNB, choose that network and search for it by typing opBNB, then select the opBNB network. Your BNB balance should automatically appear after that, and the next step is to enter the Planetbnb dashboard by clicking the Start Now button next to your BNB balance in the upper right corner. The Planetbnb dashboard will appear as shown, and then you can register by clicking the Register to Mercury Now button. Make sure your balance is sufficient to upgrade to Planet Mercury with a minimum of 0.0034, where 0.0033 is for the upgrade and 0.0001 is for gas fees. A prompt to approve the transfer will appear, and you just need to click Approve to confirm. Wait 15 seconds after clicking Approve, and your account will be active on Planet Mercury. Your dashboard will look like this, showing your balance. If you want to share the referral link, click the Copy Referral Link icon and share it on your social media. Your bonus will be 100% minus gas fees and admin royalties. How to upgrade on Planetbnb. Make sure you are logged in using the wallet address on the opBNB network that you have registered. After that, on your dashboard page, just click the checkbox for the planet you want. For example, if you choose Planet Venus, note that your planet selection above will show Venus and the amount of BNB you will send. Ensure your balance is sufficient. If you upgrade Earth, the amount you send will be adjusted accordingly. After you select the planet to upgrade, click the Upgrade button for that planet, and a dialog will appear for the transfer from your wallet. ensure the balance is enough and there is additional for the gas fee, then approve or send. Success? Wait for 15 seconds or refresh your dashboard page. Your upgrade will be activated automatically and the upgrade results will also appear below you. Achieve tens of thousands of BNB with just one account. What if you have 3 accounts or 7 accounts? Adjust according to your network capabilities. Planetbnb empowers the future.